hopping the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of babe. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shoe with the red at the bottom, babe.
I don't get it. What is it?
It's a funnel cake, bro.
It's fried dough?
It's like a huge donut.
You need to start making better life choices. Serious.
Jeff, you look beautiful in this
You look
light.
so pretty. That's why I just stopped and froze on you.
Can you name 3 people that trust you?
Why are you recording?
Just in 5 seconds. Really, go. 3 people trust you.
Mom and Dad.
Notice he didn't say Young Metro? You know what has to happen.
Oh, put the gun down.
Young Metro, and I don't trust you. I'm gonna shoot you.
A is for. A is for.
And these people absolutely give no fucks. And you guys say, oh, look at this, it's fucking full, look at this shit. No one's here. These people give no fucks. Man, you guys are tripping. You guys give no fucks about anyone. Fuck out of here.
I'm in the middle of fucking nowhere. You know what I mean? If I scream for help, ah! You don't fucking hear shit. Nobody is going to hear me fucking dying. You know what
The biggest lie I ever believed growing up was the fact that women were loyal, bro. My mom cheated on my pot, so.
Fucking damn.
Oh, it's so cold, I think I'm done with ice. Birds, if I leave her, she gon' die. Well, bitch, you done with life. Okay, better not pull up with no knife, cause I bring guns to fight. Say you got that sack, I got that sack, but ain't no ones of mine. Nope. My little bitch say I'm getting too booed. I don't need like dubs of mine. Alright, but I look like with all them 20.
I'm almost as tall as this door. And if I put my hands up, I can touch the top of this doorway fairly easily, which means that I can do a handstand and hang off of the top of the door like a bat.
Jesse, you motherfucker.
Jesse. Oh my God. Yeah, I don't wanna fall asleep.
Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, it's my fault.
Hey yo, famous relative check.
Used to live like golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, 'cause we're golden.
Dad, you have 2 options. Option A, you can stay here quarantine with Mom, or option B, you can come over.
Hey, let's go.
Bye. Hey yo, chubby cheeks check.
Man, y'all already know how I'm doing it.
Oh my God.
Twitter.com/Soulja Boy.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Yeah. My top. Yeah, I got my top.
Oi, babe. How much have you had to drink?
How do you very much at all? Stop me going tomorrow.
Bitch ass nigga Comethazine. Hey, Comethazine. What you taking your shit out for? Oh, bitch ass nigga, you ain't gonna.
Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling, blow, ooh, chains on skateboard P. Hey. Bling, blow, ooh, chains on skateboard P. Yeah, going 8 like nigga.
Hi, this is Angela calling back with your test results. I'm sorry to inform you of this, but you have tested positive for COVID-19. At this time, we
I feel like I'm
2006. I leave diamonds dancing on my fucking neck, cost like for bricks. Ain't no way that I be telling on that strap, don't make no sense.
This cop tried to arrest me today because I was covered in 100 hot dogs. I'm like, I don't understand what the problem is. Since when did it become illegal to tape wieners to your face? Then this other guy came over and was like, you need to leave. I'm like, who are you? He's like, I'm a cop. I'm like, but they're cops. He's like, I'm a cop for this parking lot. I'm like, what are you gonna do? Call them?
Let me put my dog in the room. He's barking too damn loud. Charlie, what the fuck, nigga? 6 feet. I had to go black for a second.
Hey. Walk up in the bitch too clean up froze. They don't fight you where I'm from. Like the beat, I keep her drunk. You ain't got dough, little boy, you a bum. She give me brain, that bitch so dumb. Used to be broke, I ain't had no funds. Now I spend it just for fun. Eat that hero shit for lunch. Walk up in a bit with the VVS. Can't get my gun cause I don't do the text. Don't give a damn about how you.
Y'all for real? Bruh.
Man, I still can't, like, I got my umbrella, but I know I'm gonna get wet. And look out, like, our street is starting to flood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you hold this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, see you, bye. Alright, have a good night. Can you get the egg?
Yeah.
That's not fair. You're too big.
When I say I need somebody who's loyal as fuck and down to earth for me, this is what I'm talking about. El Chapo's wife says she had no idea he was a criminal and never saw him do anything illegal. He's a notorious drug trafficker, El Chapo, yes. And this is what she... I need this. I need this.
Alright, what if you make this, dude? You make this?
Just on the wheel this time, you can't run away.
Oh. Ah!
Oh, shit.
Tori said this is the white person smile. Hey, Tyler!
Where did you put the trash?
I literally put it right there.
Well, then just grow legs and walk away.
Mama a party girl, she just wanna have fun too. They say you ain't wifey type, but I don't care.
Guys, I shit you not. I just seen two blind guys fighting in the streets, and you should have seen how fast they ran when I said, my money's on the one with a knife.
I can swear, I can joke, I see what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys, and you see me holding on.
Yeah. Betty boo bumpin'. Yeah. Hey, hey. Yeah. Jimmy just jumpin'.
The only reason why guys are good at video games more than girls is because guys know life more because they're getting rejected by girls constantly, so they just want to play video games because it gives them happiness.
What do you want to do?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
You want bangs?
I just want like a regular haircut.
Okay.
Don't look at me like a f***ing serial killer.
Alright, come on. Let's just do it.
God.
It's kind of hard to tell, but straight.
Jesus Christ. Okay, what the fuck?
Now when you're riding your dirt bike around, you don't need a helmet.
This is terrible, dude.
It's not terrible. You haven't even seen it yet. So this is the energy you
I look
always
like a f***ing idiot, dude. The camera just zoomed in on me.
Okay, the haircut didn't change anything.
I literally look like a f***ing stupid idiot. Oh my god, my mouth is open too. Dude, I shouldn't have agreed to this shit.
Okay, I'll pull up, hop out at the after party. You and all your friends here, they love to get naughty. Sipping on that hit, I know you love that Bacardi. 1942, I take you back in the raw. Okay, I'll pull up.
Oh yeah, bro! I told you I did this in a reaction. I told you I did this move in a reaction. I make it. I don't even.
Record yourself repeating what you heard. Doing some Spanish homework, y'all.
Miguel y yo vamos a llevar a Marisa a un cenote.
Miguel y yo, vais a go to get there.
This is how you test if your moonshine is good or bad.
God damn, Carol Baskin, you bitch.
Okay, I need some water. My throat is dry.
Ooh, you thick! You thick! Are you getting chunky, Nudge? Oh, I'm sorry.
Heard this place got extra toilet paper. Nobody's around to stop me. Oh shit, what was that? Oh shit.
You did. You gon' die. You gon' die. You gon' die.
$5'11", but I stand on my money. Now I'm 5'8". That's right.
What are you getting, Dad?
Chile for my hamburger, a Burger King. Chile verde.
Oh!
Where did you go?
Where'd you go?
Are you guys serious?
Where'd you go?
Where's this guy?
Remember how when you were like in elementary school and they would like threaten to call your parents and shit like that, and then that used to be like one of your worst fears? Then middle school, it was like, come on, you know, just, like it gets easier and easier. Then in high school, you're like, man, fuck that, I'll call her.
Bitch, put it on speaker. I like to hear it.
I would like what she has to say to you. My parents got so annoyed by the school that they ended up blocking the school's number.
Oh my god.
When me and my sister used to skip class, like they used to just constantly call him like immediately.
I mean, I had to go to summer school for missing too much school. My mom was the hookup. She was just like, yo, you want to come home today? I'm like, you know what, for sure.
Bro, my grandma gave me a spare key to her house to skip school.
Oh my goodness.
Had cool parents.
While I was gone from YouTube and all that stuff, my freaking dad left to fucking Vietnam for about a month and gave me his house keys.
Flashbacks.
And I went inside his fucking house and he had this massage bed. He spent $7 grand on a fucking massage bed.
So I've been eating these all my life, and I never noticed that it says do not microwave cup. You're supposed to boil water and pour it into this motherfucker. Damn. That's crazy. Learn something new every
From me.
No, I'm not on Marshall Applewhite, but I'm trying to phone home.
No, maybe.
I'll whoop your ass. Your girlfriend look like my mom.
And all my homies gonna ride today.
That's right.
And all these mommies look fly today. And all we wanna do is get by today. Hey, we're gonna have a good day. And ain't nobody gotta cry today. 'Cause ain't nobody.
No, I'm not on Marshall Applewhite, but I'm trying to phone home.
No, maybe.
But here come his whip, but he ain't alone, he came with a bitch. See, I ain't changing no plans, it is what it is, I am what I am. And if his bitch got some sense, when I up this bitch, this whole.
But you're gonna hit the car no matter what. When you come back.
That's fine. Just get. Oh, you're good.
Trent. Oh shoot.
Billy Provin's coming back.
No, I want my 13, dude. This is 10, and
This
I want
nigga,
20.
who the fuck walk around with $13?
Do
See,
you want the air hockey table or not?
see what I'm saying?
Start dancing, start dancing, start dancing. I guess I'm just a play date to you.
Bruh, I don't know what happened. There's laxative in one of these.
Does what?
Hey! Beat my dick like Chris Brown's wife. Pull up on the scene. I ain't getting home, nigga. What the hell it mean? Nigga,
Broke bitch, broken ass no bitch, small dick, still kinda soft bitch,
But we're supposed to be friends forever.
Alright, Nick Caliber, try it.
Go.
Hi, I'm Jacob. Welcome back.
Oh! Babe. Babe, what is that?
What?
It's a spider.
Jesse!
Oh.
Is it really? It's my lashes!
In the breeze. I've been running up a check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been coolin' laying low, but I'm not taking the seat. But just know a nigga back in this time I won't leave.
You're beautiful, that's for sure. You'll never, ever fade. Your love.
My eyebrows are a mess. What, sweetie? Okay. Okay, Northy.
Can I wash my hands?
Can you do it in the other room? I'm in the middle of something I don't want.
Yeah, baby. Oh shit!
Can we all agree that we should date guys that play video games more often? Now listen, why didn't he respond back to you? He's in the middle of a game. Why is he up late at night? He's online with his boys. Hasn't responded back to you for hours. He's playing video games. You don't even gotta worry about him cheating because honestly, he's so focused on like getting his rank